How to find country and language settings on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after that click settings, and here we'll find country and language, and that's it. As you see here, you can manage it, and just change anything you want here and then click done. And I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.